Hello everyone. Let's explore another new feature of Excel, checkboxes. If you're using MS 365, you can see checkboxes under the Insert Ribbon tab, and then here we have checkboxes. All you need to do is to select the range where you want to add the checkboxes and click checkbox. One good thing about the new checkboxes in Excel, automatic yung mga checkboxes na to nakalink na agad kung saan cell siya nakalagay. In addition, naka-format na agad siya doon sa gitna ng cell. So no need to resize or move the checkboxes to align it with your cells. But if you don't have checkbox under the Insert ribbon tab, all you need to do is go to your Developer tab. Under Insert Form Controls, select Checkbox. And here you have to draw the checkbox kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay and then just move it sa center. And then here, remove na natin yung text. This is the painful part. If you add checkboxes through the developer tab, kailangan mo siyang i-link doon sa cell kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay. So you have to right click on it and then format control and then under control, cell link, select mo kung saan mo gustong i-link yung checkbox na to. Unfortunately, you cannot just copy it and then paste it on another cell, expecting it na mag-change yung link cell niya. So you can't do that with the checkbox in the developer option. So you have to assign each checkboxes to their specific cell link. And that's why sobrang helpful nung checkbox under Insert Ribbon. This is helpful sa mga task checklist, project tracker, and you can also add conditional formatting para kapag kinlik mo siya, mag-strike through yung text doon sa mga task na completed na.